Get a little bit of vanilla apple in that thing, and then the whiskey.
I like that a lot, actually. That's good.
Join us as we take on the challenge trying to find Seattle's best old-fashioned cocktail. Can we track down the ultimate version of this classic drink in the Emerald City? And today we're at the Observatory Bar at Smith Tower, trying to see if they have the best old-fashioned in the city. And so far, the Dilla Room is still reigning #1 so far. Can the Smith Tower beat the Dilla Room? Join us and find out.
Oh. Green apples. I'm going to stir it up this time.
Oh, you gonna stir it?
Yeah. Well, I do like the smell of the apples on there. That's kind of nice. Smell that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I do like the smell of the apple in there.
Yeah, that's kind of nice, huh? Little unorthodox. I like that green apple on there. That smells pretty nice. A little unorthodox, but it smells.
It's like a vanilla. Get a little bit of vanilla apple in that thing.
I like that a lot, actually. That's good. A little sweeter,
It's a lot sweeter than the first one.
but not overly sweet, I wouldn't say.
This ice seems smaller, doesn't it?
Yeah, it kind of is, actually.
You get a nice whiff of that apple in there. A lot sweeter than that rye old fashioned.
Well, and then you can get the sweetness on the vapors, right? So it's like bringing it to your nose, and it already smells sweet from the apple. That's good. I like it. What do you think?
Yeah, it's a lot drier than the first one too. The drier, sweeter, a little bit more of a bite.
Which bourbon was in this?
It was a rye in this one, right? In the YESLER?
Let me see which bourbon they used in that. Old Forester.
Oh, okay.
So the YESLER Old Fashioned is Old Forester rye, black walnut bitters, vanilla, simple syrup.
Yeah.
What do you
With
rate
that
that?
apple?
What would you rate that one?
I like this one better.
I like this one better too.
I hate to say.
I mean, that was good. And it's different. It's a little different.
Yeah,
because the apple.
Yeah, I got the apple, the vanilla.
I'd give it a hard 8. Solid
yeah,
8,
yeah.
for sure.
Yeah, 8.25 maybe.
Yeah, yeah, totally.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
An original.
Good.
I can't say I've ever had one with apples in it before,
Yeah, I've never.
but that definitely worth a shot. The apples in there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to say I like this better than the Olympic Hotel. I don't know if it's because it's so original with the apples,
It's good. Delicious.
but as a traditional, more old-fashioned with the orange, I mean, this ain't that.
But it's a fantastic old fashioned.
Is Old Fashioned Friday your favorite day of the week?
Old fashioned Friday is the best.
Destination Pacific Northwest.
You can't get better than this.
Living the life.
Rainy Friday in Seattle.
I know, just another rainy day in Seattle.
Two old friends having old fashioned.
Yep. Yep.
Up on the, what floor is this?
You know, I don't even know. It's up here though. I believe this used to be the highest building on the whole West Coast at one time. Holy moly, these are good.
Getting this one from now on.
That's a Western Washington flair there with the apples.
Yeah, have to go see the doctor after this. Doctor's office.
Oh, I'm looking forward to that.
Doctor's office? Anybody know about the doctor's office?
Yeah. If you guys know anything about the doctor's office, leave it in the comments.
Yeah, I still have this, like 0.5 or 0.25 under
Yeah.
the fair amount right now.
Yeah, I have to agree with you, I guess. When you consider everything.
But I mean, the view.
Really, the sun's really making me. Where's my sunglasses? I could have to start throwing some in the bag. Holy cow, this was pretty good. Start turning into the Tasmanian devil again. No. I haven't done that since I was like in my 30s.
Since we're drinking the apps, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.